everyone. Welcome to African Computer Services, where we teach you a whole lot of graphic designs. Today, what you are seeing on the screen is what we are going to create. So I want you to pay rapt attention. The essence of learning this is to improve on your skills and be able to do more in the business world. The app we are going to create this is the CANVA app. So automatically, let's hit on to CANVA app. We'll click on CANVA and the CANVA is opening. But I have to give you a little insight into what we are going to do. The design you saw, the picture was on a plain background. We removed the background. But if you are using CANVA Pro, we have a tool in CANVA Pro that can remove background for you while in that particular CANVA Pro. But you see, in this particular Canva, we don't have that tool. So you have to take the picture you want to use beforehand, take it to remove background site, then remove the background, store it in your gallery, then head on to Canva for your design. Then in this particular training, as usual, we are going to use Instagram post, which is this one that I'm pointing at. Look at it, Instagram post. We click on it. As it is opening, we know that we are expecting to use blank, create blank, which is this. That's what we're going to use. We click on it. As it is opening, knowing that it do take a little time to open because of the network in this particular part of the world. Remember, we are starting from the scratch, and that is why we are choosing create blank. It is not something that we are using a template. No, we are the one creating from the scratch. So it has opened. We click on the plus button, this button here, hit on it. The button opens the environment. Then we'll click on element. This is element. When we click on element, the element opens. Then again, we type gradient. We type it here, gradient, because what we use is gradient in that particular picture that you saw. When we type gradient, all the gradients will automatically open for us. Then because I've used it before, the gradient is here. Look at the gradient that I used. So you can click on it. Once you click on it, automatically it will appear on the blank background. Okay. So you try to resize it to cover your blank background. Try resizing it in order to be able to achieve what you are actually looking for. Beautiful. I think we have succeeded in covering it. Then you bring it down a little bit. Okay. Now the next thing now is to bring in our picture. We need to bring in the picture that we have actually removed its background. So we'll click on this plus sign again. When we click on the plus sign, it will bring us in this particular environment. Then we also click on gallery. Remember, I saved my picture in the gallery, but if the picture you are using is here, then you can collect it from wherever it is. But my own, I removed the background first and I saved it in my gallery, and that is where I'm heading to pick the picture from there. Then Canva is opening my gallery. Then I'll search for the picture that I used. I'll continue searching for the picture. We are still on trying to find the picture. I've seen the picture. This is the picture that I used in this design. Look at it here. That's the picture. Then I will click on it. Once I click on it, I'll also click on add to page. It will appear to the page, my design page. Beautiful. We are here now. I have to resize it. I have to resize the picture as I want. Beautiful. Now, there is one little challenge. If you can see with me, the picture is in front where the gradient is behind, but that's not an issue. We'll go look for position. Position will handle that for us. Let me show you. Look for position, click on position, then we click on backward. Of course, the picture goes backward immediately. It's a very simple design and is a beautiful one at that. Now again, I want to change the color of the gradient. So what I need to do is to click on the gradient. Once I click on this gradient, something happens. It is showing me two boxes. It's showing me two boxes. This and this. And two of them are the color that is on the gradient. So I'll click on the first box, try to change the color to probably black. Yes, black. Then I'll click on the second color and try to change the color to green. Beautiful. That is all. The next thing now is to add text. So I'll click on the plus sign, which you already know, then scroll down to text. The alphabet T here represents text. Look at the alphabet T here. It represents text. We'll click on it. Then it will open and tell us to add a heading. So all we need to do is to click on add a heading. It will appear. Then we'll click on it and type a heading. The only thing I'm going to type there is my name. I will type Nzobesi Chuku. Maybe you've not seen what I've typed. You can see that. So I will head on to font. Click on font. Choose the font of my choice. For the purpose of this particular design, I am going to choose Nautilus Pompetus. Look at it here. I will click on it. Of course, the font will load and change automatically. Beautiful. Then I want to resize it. I'll click on font size. Then scroll the bar there to resize the name as I want. To resize the name as I want. Then I will also click on the font color to change the color of my choice, which I choose green. And that's beautiful. I choose green. Then again, I will add another text, which is the position. I'll add a subheading. When I click on that, I will write training coach. I'll write training coach. And also hit on the font to change the font. And the font that I want to use in this training coach is Sarah Black. Look at it here. You can choose your own favorite font. I've gotten it. And I'll move it down here. But one thing is I have to change the size, the font size. I'll shift. I want it to be a little bit smaller than the name. Good. That is beautiful. Then I also click on font color. I want to choose a red color. I'll scroll down to choose a red color. Beautiful. This is the end of our design. You can see as beautiful as it looks. It's very simple. I want you to do yours and send it to us. Listen, in this platform, the essence of asking you to do assignments is for you to be able to be used to this, to condition yourself to be able to perform a task. If not, you will be among those people that they will give a contract and you'll be very lazy to do the contract. So I'll see you in the next video. We have a whole lot more to show you. Thank you. And I want you to, when you are done, you save your video. Look at it here. You save your video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.